Hello and welcome back. This is video number 19. Yes, in order, so that way you don't miss anything. And it's uploaded in order so you don't miss anything as well. I am at the demolition of Merrill Elementary and Middle School as the demolition continues and it is coming down. I am standing on Kentucky watching this beautiful building come on down. Yep. I talked to one of the teachers and he says he's a special education teacher, and he said it's sad to see this building come down, but it would be good to see a track and field for the kids across the street. And now let's get back to more demolition. There was once a roof. Come on, stupid fence. I'm trying to video record. Move out close so you can get stuff. Move on top of the other debris. There you go. There you go. Was that hard? I'm afraid not. Stuff is getting pushed into this section because they're trying to work their way to the next area. Hold on. They usually try to do this. Nothing's going down, coming down. It's all coming through that other wall on the other side of the stupid tree that's blocking my view. Bah humbug. Come on, stupid fence. Come on, dumb fence. Try video. Hate dumb fences in the way. Yeah, it's for my safety, but still, I can't get nothing when it blurs out stuff. He's pushing the wall in to the next old classroom. The wall is getting pushed in. He's pushing in the wall. You can't see it up above because we're not that high enough. When they do it down below, we can see it. We need to move out of the way. You don't notice trucks coming through? I like to time the bricks and debris, ooh, as it comes down. Like it's caught in the air, and there goes the wall. Holy cow. Because they're trying to get all of that. And you gotta get something, you gotta take care of something else at the same time. He's trying to get that piece of roof down so they can move on. Uh-oh, it's coming. He's gonna get the roof. It's like playing the claw machine. He's gonna get that roof. Rebarb by rebarb. He's gonna get that roof. Dedication to get what you need to get. You gotta keep on working for it. There it goes. You got the roof portion. Come on, stupid. Holy cow. Trying to get rid of that support / hallway concrete, rebarb concrete. Used to be for the hallway. Yeah, you can see the middle school in the back. In the background, you can see the middle school part. They're almost to the other back of the middle school. And those pieces on the front of the building do not get saved. It's not on me. It's on the school district for not acting and responding to my email. Or the boss here in charge of this company getting back to me before that the whole building comes down. I'm trying to save artifacts. It's not helping. It doesn't help when you don't get no response to save artifacts, architecture more or less. And I'm trying to do for historical purposes. If it doesn't get done, I tried. Nobody knows how to answer my emails or call, just emails. Come on. Do your job and go through that wall. So I can get it. Come on. What are you being so slow about? Let me move down a little bit. This is the end of 19 video part 1. Now on to video 19 part 2.